What's up guys? In today's video, I want to share one of my favorite comfort food from the Philippines. It's called ginataang manok. That means we're gonna cook the chicken with the coconut milk. Very interesting and very easy to make. So let's get started. Heat up our pan, olive oil, garlic. Let's saute our garlic until it's quite golden brown. I'll add some ginger, onions, anchovies for some umami flavor. So we kind of wait until that anchovies melts. Now our chicken wings. Let's give a nice caramelization to our chicken and get all the flavors. Flip our chicken. Season it with salt and pepper. Smells really good. Now I add some potatoes. Coconut milk. I will add a little bit of water and then we will let it boil with the lid on. We'll add a little bit more of salt. Simmer it for another 20 minutes with low flame. And that is how you cook ginataang manok or chicken in coconut milk. So guys, I hope you liked our video for today. I'm gonna see you guys in next week for another recipe video. I'm gonna leave you guys with a very nice B-roll of our dish. And happy cooking everyone. Bye, ciao!